Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download Ambire wallet in Windows. Ambire wallet is a secure Web3 cryptocurrency wallet that allows users to store, send, receive and swap digital assets across multiple blockchain network, and it is a custodial wallet, meaning you keep your full control of your private keys. And in this video I'll show you step by step on how to download and install Ambire wallet on a Windows computer. First, you need to open any of the browser on your Windows such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave or Firefox. And after that, in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is simply type down tap Ambire wallet. Over here we can find this Ambire wallet, your Web3 wallet, select there. Here we can find this download for icon over here on the bottom. Select to this download for, and over here you can simply select to this add to Chrome and select add extension. And that is it. After installation you can click to this extension here. You can find to this Ambire wallet and you can choose create account wallet or import existing wallet, then follow the on-screen instruction to set your password and the backup recovery details. And that is it. You have successfully installed Ambire wallet on Windows. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.